Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Lexus GS350 and this car have a problem. You can see in cluster warning light, check AFS, and AFS light blinking also. See, it's blinking, AFS off. So today I will show you why this light came and how you can solve this problem. Okay, see, I diagnosed already my diagnosis tool, adaptive front light system. There is 2 fault, trouble code, right headlamp swivel ECU communication. That means swivel ECU, there is no communication. I think wire open or this swivel ECU damage. Okay, so we need to check where is swivel ECU. Under the steering wheel left side, you can see here, this is the swivel ECU. Okay, so I replace another one already, and then you can see AFS light off, everything is okay, adaptive front lighting system perfect. So if your car have same problem, replace and check. Okay, thank you.